Hello, my name is Ryan Browning, and I will start off by telling you a few of my interests. One of them is playing guitar. I used to be in a band, and I used to perform for the youth group at my church, and we also had a community of friends who played disc golf and got me into disc golf. So those are a few of my interests. What I hope to learn from this course is to better schedule my semesters and better prepare and plan out for my classes and my tests, which in turn would give me a little bit more discipline in the classroom. Something personal I would like to share with my teacher would be that it can be difficult to take courses online for kids who struggle with ADHD like me, but we are learning different techniques and ways to make it through, and you have taught me some of that, so thank you. And that's what I have for you today. Have a good one.